What's up, everyone? This is Wendell with the EDC Paradox, and I'm going to be doing a pocket dump for you today. Now, this is a little bit different because I'm standing in front of the camera, as you can see, but I'm going to just go over what I carry every day. The latest acquisition is this right here, my neck knife. This is a MKM Micro. This is M390 blade steel, and it's only a 2-finger grip on this knife, but with that little lanyard there, it's pretty good. I got a full grip on it, and this is just a quick draw box cutter for me. My neck knife here. The next thing is my Casio Mudmaster with a compass and step tracker and everything. This watch is all I need. Now next I have this Olight bolt action pin. It's a mini, and these pins are great. The next thing is my multi-tool for the next couple weeks. It is a Roxxon Phantom Mini, and this little multi-tool is awesome. It's got spring-loaded pliers, and these scissors right here are just beastly. They will cut through anything, and they have come in handy so far. My next piece of gear is these Gravistar Sirius Pro. They are my earbuds, and they have a little fidget factor with them and great sound quality. My flashlight is this Baton 3, the Pro rechargeable version from Olight. It is 1500 lumens. Next, we'll go back here, and this is my wallet, recycled firefighter, USA made. Next is my lighter, a rechargeable plasma lighter. Needs charged, obviously. The next thing is my notebook to write in rain, and these things are awesome. Any kind of weather, you can take notes, jot something down if you have to. Recently, I just got this in. This is a butterfly knife, or balisong. It's just a trainer though, and starting to practice with it. I will do some videos on this later. You know, I don't really know a whole lot with it, but we'll get there. My knife of choice is a Concept EDC tack. This thing is great. S35 VN button lock. And finally is Kershaw Livewire, a USA made out the front knife, 20 CV blade steel, and it is awesome. And I believe that does it for me and my pocket dump. Nope, I lied. Got one more. The SC Azula 1095 blade steel, orange G10 handles. That would be my little bit of bushcrafty knife. And that'll do it for this video. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.